Guys, today I'm going to do all of my slimes collections that I have. I only have 8 already of slime because I just started my slime collection. So this is like the first start of slime for me. So let's just get started. So here I have my glitter slime. Glowing and just multicolored glitter slime. It's yucky. It is kind of sticky. It's not that sticky. So this is how it is. It breaks apart really easily. It's like putty. Look. Yeah, that's some of my multicolor slime. Tap that back. Oh my goodness, some fell. So that was my multicolor slime. My next one is my green glow-in-the-dark neon slime. Ta-da! That's mine. This one is my favorite because it's not that sticky. It doesn't get on your hands. So that was that one. And it does glow in the dark. It's really cool. It does glow in the dark. And then I have my pink foam slime. I'm just going to open this one. They all didn't fit in one container, so I had to use another one. So. Ta-da! Oh my! What happened? Sorry about that. Just go through something. So yeah, this is my foam slime. It's sticky. I use little foam balls. You can buy foam balls because a lot of people were like, "Where did you buy the foam balls?" And in my family, part of my family, they were like, "Where did you buy the foam balls?" I was like, "In Michael's." You can buy foam balls in Michael's. Just ask one of the ladies or the men that work there. Do you know where the foam balls are to make slime? And they might just say, "Okay, here. If we have them, I'm sorry, we don't. We just got out, or we need in stock, or yes, here they are." So I got mine online, but I think you can find them in Michael's. So look, so for me. Whee! Okay, so that's it. That's so. Okay, I thought I was gonna get in my dress. I was like, nope. So yeah. So it didn't fit in all in a big container, so I had to put in a small container. So yeah. Let's move on to the blue one. This is like the green one, but it's more sticky and it's blue. It's really dark blue. So that's how the slime is. Oh, This is scented neon glow in the dark slime, and this one is scented cotton candy, and this one is scented grape. You can smell the grape a lot. Ah, that was I can't stop smelling it. It's really smelly. I'm like mixing them around with it. Yep. It seems a little darker in the video, but actually in real life, this is really, 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 really blue. Like it seems darker in the camera, but this one is like lighter. A little light, but it's actually dark. So it's like light and dark. Because it's neon. Oh no. Just wipe it from the hands. Okay. That is the top of it. This is some. There we go. Oh, that's some slime. My ring. This is not an engagement ring. It's just a regular ring, but has a diamond. This is kind of fake. This is fake. It's a fake diamond, and it's a fake. It's fake. It's just fake. It's for kids. It's fake. Bye. Okay. So here I have my purple, my clear purple with just my glitter purple slime. I don't know how to say it. So here it is. I can take some out for you. Just see. It's with clear glue. That's that. That's a really nice one. So let's move on to my next one because I'm just gonna leave for a second. I'm leaving to a party. That's why I'm hurrying up. But I did not want to miss my vlog today. So yeah. Okay, here is the orange. Oh my goodness. It just looked right up the top. And all the foam is there. This is my orange neon foam glitter slime. This actually has glitter. You can't see the glitter, but I can. I don't know if you can see the glitter. Yeah, you guys can't see. Oh, there we go. There's the glitter. Foam balls. I didn't know this one is gonna work, but it works. There's little foam balls now everywhere. Try put it in the slime. So that's that, and it gets sticky on the top too. So that was my orange foam. Now I have my golden glitter slime. It's not scented. Yeah, I thought it was. It's not. So here's my golden glitter slime. It's so cool. It's like a bouncy ball. It's not really bouncy. Here's my golden glitter slime. It looks yellow to me, but it's actually golden. So that was the end of the video today, guys. So thank you for watching my slime collection. But I'm just going to go through it one more time so you guys can see. So here is the golden glitter slime. My orange neon glitter foam slime. My glow in the dark neon green scented cotton candy slime. Here is my purple glitter slime. Purple clear glitter slime. Here is my blue neon glow in the dark scented grape slime. Here is my multicolor clear glue slime. And here is my pink foam slime with no glitter. So that was it for this video. Bye.